Yo, what is up, guys? Eric_Gaming YT here. We are back with another Roblox video. Today, we are going to change our Roblox username into basically our YouTube channel name. So, yeah, let's just go to Roblox. Home. Yeah. I bought it on that much Robux, so yeah. Settings. No, wait, I need more Robux. BRB. Just put in the code and stuff. So yeah, let's just submit it. Order. Yeah, let's go to the home page, and we obviously have 2,210. So yeah. So I'm gonna go to the calculator. I don't know. So yeah. So I'm gonna have. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna have 2,210 Robux, 200. Oh my god, I'm down 2,200. Ugh. 10. 2010. Oh, minus. That's alright. It's go to me. So yeah, let's just go to our settings. I verified my email and stuff. That was like a while ago, so yeah. So just change it. Alright, let's change it to Eric_Gaming. Why? Account password. I gotta pause it. So weird. Alright, y'all. So we finally did it. I am glad that we did it. It's great. Eric_Gaming YT. This is awesome. I love when they're like that. So hope you guys have a nice day. Yeah. So, y'all have a nice day. Peace out. Goodbye.